Now this is a guidelines, very simple guidelines on how to write a lab report. You have to start with the name, date, and the title of the experiment. Now it is separated into 4 main points: introduction, procedure, result, and discussion. In the introduction part, you will write a background information, which means a definition of the experiment, the title, or any information about it. It won't be more than 2 or 3 lines maximum. It's just a way of introduction that showed me or let the reader understand what you are talking about. Then if you have an observation or purpose, mainly we will have a purpose of an experiment, but for today's request or assignment, you will observe any problem and then you will write about it. You will ask yourself a question and you will write a hypothesis. I need minimum 2 hypotheses. All of that is bullet point. It's not a paragraph, it's a bullet point. When you read a lab report, you don't have to read a long paragraphs. This is a guidelines also used to prepare an experiment. So you don't have time to read paragraphs and your hand is busy doing the experiment. As you can see over here, car. This is the title of my experiment. This is a daily life problem. Usually I will start with an introduction. As you can see, BI means background information. I will define my title. There is an observation. For example, this observation means this observation is the car is not working. Question, why, or what are the causes, or what could be the possibilities of the car is not working. Any question in your mind. The hypothesis over here, I gave you 3 hypotheses. Minimum, I expect that you give me 2. Battery problem, or gas, or an engine problem. Then I will transfer to the procedure part where I will list my materials. Okay. I will bring new battery, I'll bring new engine, and I will of course fill the car with the gas. Then the steps, look over here, fill the car with gas. I do not use the word I or she, just keep it straightforward, scientifically. Change the battery, change the engine. I have to do an experiment for each hypothesis I gave in my lab report. Now the result over here, I expressed them like, let's say, in a table or a paragraph where I give a negative and positive for the